taking a look at the Europet dog ball thrower. It works with the standard size dog balls. And this is the nicest dog ball thrower I've seen so far. First off, you plug it in and it charges a rechargeable battery inside. Then you can use these instructions or these buttons on the back to turn it on. You've got the long distance button. You've got the 3 ranges, one short distance, long distance, and then that maximum distance, so really 4 different ranges here. You've got this button to get it ready to drop a ball in there, and then you've got the button here to have it sweep. So it works with the standard size balls. The dogs the dogs can drop the balls in. Now it's not set to shoot right now, but even if it was, there's an eye here that's going to check. It's like radar. It's going to check if there's anything in the way of the thrower before it launches the ball. And it's got these 4 legs, but it can swivel from side to side. So now distance is a variable, as well as what angle it's going to launch at. And these make the way more fun for the dog. Dog is definitely able, larger size dogs are definitely able to drop balls into the unit. A lot of fun, random, and powerful. Hope this helps.